Massey Ferguson 398. The Massey Ferguson 398 was manufactured by Ertl. It uses the same casting as the previous Massey Ferguson pedal tractors. The pedal crank assembly is correctly painted black. When Ertl switched to the current hub, pedal cranks should be black instead of the same color as the tractor. It is the same as the 390 except for the decals and rear hubcaps. And the lower two-tone color is different. It is similar to charcoal gray. If a tractor has the current hubs, it should have the current rear rims. It has decals on the left side and the right side, as well as the front grille. Here is a shot of the rear rim with the new two-tiered hubcap. The Massey Ferguson 398.